Fans are gearing up for the big game and, more importantly, filling their big game menus with crowd-pleasing snacks everyone will love. Here to share their tips for creating the ultimate cheesy game day spread are entertaining experts Rosalind Daniels and Tillamook's executive chef and cheese expert Josh Archibald. Hello, Rosalind and Josh.
Hi, thanks for having us.
We're excited to be here, thanks.
Rosalind, what are your tips for hosting the perfect game day party?
Okay, I have so many great tips, but I have to point out the fact that most people actually enjoy the food more than the game on the game day. So that lets you know that the true MVP of the day, it's the food and the snacks. So I like to keep that in mind when I'm creating a spread for my friends and family. What I like to do is create a nice grazing board that has a hero, which this year is my beer cheddar cheese dip. And it has bold and melty Tillamook sharp cheddar cheese in it. It has extra creamy butter in it, and it has Tillamook's cream cheese spread in it as well. Everyone enjoys it because it has a high quality ingredients that has a better taste every time.
Chef Josh, tell us about what you'd serve to best complement a dip.
Yeah, well, anything dipped in Tillamook cheese is great, but hear me out on this. You can amp up your spread with more cheese-inspired snacks. We've got this cheddar cheese coin, we've got a savory cornmeal and jalapeno waffle, recipes courtesy of our great friend and partner Aaron McDowell. We've got grilled cheese batons, and you cannot sleep on the sharp cheddar pretzel bite, perfect for multiple passes through that dip. Tillamook cheddar comes in shreds, slices, and blocks to give you creamy, melty results with bold flavor for any recipe or occasion.
Where can we go for more information?
You can find more products at a grocery store near you by logging on to Tillamook.com.
And don't forget about those block jams. You want to hear that at Tillamook.com too.
Thank you both for being on the Tech Show.